When it comes to boosting the overall look and value of your home, curb appeal is key. First impressions matter, and the exterior of your home plays a big role in how it's perceived by guests, passers-by, and potential buyers. One of the most impactful changes you can make to enhance your home's curb appeal is upgrading your windows, and vinyl windows are an excellent choice. In Orangeburg, where homes reflect both traditional Southern charm and modern designs, installing vinyl windows can provide both aesthetic and functional benefits. The beauty of vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are known for their clean, modern look that can complement a variety of architectural styles. Whether your home boasts a classic, historical style or a sleek, contemporary design, vinyl windows can help elevate its exterior. Available in an array of colors, sizes, and styles, these windows can be tailored to suit your home's unique design. In Orangeburg, a town with its own distinct blend of rustic and modern influences, vinyl windows provide a customizable solution to match the diverse tastes of homeowners. From traditional double-hung windows to more contemporary casement or picture windows, you can choose the ideal style that fits your home's personality and enhances its curb appeal. With a wide selection of colors, you can match your windows to your existing trim or give your home a fresh, new look that stands out. Low maintenance and long-lasting durability. One of the standout benefits of vinyl windows is their low maintenance. Unlike wood windows, which require frequent sanding, painting, and sealing, vinyl windows are designed to stand up to the elements with minimal care. The sun, rain, and humidity of Orangeburg are no match for these durable windows. Their tough exterior prevents chipping, fading, or cracking, so your windows will retain their appearance for years to come, all while requiring little more than occasional cleaning. This longevity translates into long-term value for homeowners. In addition to boosting curb appeal, vinyl windows offer an investment in the future of your home. The money saved on maintenance and repairs can be reinvested elsewhere, giving you more time and resources to focus on other aspects of home improvement. Energy efficiency. In a region like Orangeburg, where temperatures can fluctuate throughout the year, energy efficiency is crucial. Vinyl windows are excellent insulators, helping to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. They are typically filled with insulating foam or feature multi-pane glass, which reduces heat transfer. This means your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature, leading to lower energy bills. With energy-efficient windows, you'll also be doing your part for the environment by reducing your carbon footprint. A well-insulated home is less reliant on energy sources, contributing to a greener, more sustainable community in Orangeburg. Increased home value. When you decide to invest in vinyl windows, you're not only enhancing your home's curb appeal but also increasing its market value. In today's competitive real estate market, prospective buyers are more likely to be drawn to a home with modern, energy-efficient features. Potential buyers in Orangeburg will appreciate the aesthetic value, ease of maintenance, and energy savings that vinyl windows offer. In fact, studies show that homebuyers are often willing to pay a premium for homes with updated, energy-efficient windows. This means that installing vinyl windows could pay off significantly if you ever decide to sell your home. Plus, with vinyl windows, you can expect to enjoy a return on investment through both the immediate benefits and the long-term savings. A smart investment for your home. For homeowners in Orangeburg looking to enhance their home's curb appeal, vinyl windows are a smart investment. They offer an unbeatable combination of beauty, durability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance. With a wide range of styles and colors to choose from, you can achieve the look you desire while increasing the value of your home. The long-lasting performance and timeless appeal of vinyl windows will ensure that your home stands out in the best possible way. Whether you're planning to stay in your home for years to come or you're thinking about selling, upgrading to vinyl windows will enhance both the exterior beauty and the functionality of your home. So, if you're looking to enhance your curb appeal and make a lasting impression, consider vinyl windows as part of your home improvement plans. Your home will look great, stay energy efficient, and be the talk of the neighborhood.